How are you today? Good?
I'm fine.
You fine? Yeah, thanks God then. So, yesterday we are practicing to draw some people face. Do you have any problem with that?
Mm,
Not.
No,
Can you show me your previous picture first? Did it still with you? Oh, yeah, this one is cool. What do you think that one? Is it easy or hard for you to draw like that?
easy.
Easy. Okay. Which one? Which part that you think that this is the easiest part when you are drawing it?
The hat.
The head, yeah. Yeah, that one is really easy, right? You draw the oval first, and then you put some eyes on the left and the right side, and then you put the eyebrow, and then the mouth. How about the coloring? What is the materials that you use?
um, Watercolor,
Watercolor, and then
marker.
marker. Is it hard for you to use watercolor?
No,
If you have to choose watercolor and crayons, which one do you choose?
watercolor.
Why?
Because
It's
it's
easier.
easy.
Yeah, it's easy to apply. You just need some water and brush and put some water on the palette like this kind of things, and then just mix it, and then suddenly you just apply it on your paper, right?
Right.
Okay, today we are going to draw something, but we are going to use a simple style. I mean, using the different style. And then what else? Yeah, we're going to also experimenting some of the style from the famous artists. And have you prepared your paper?
Yes.
How about your marker?
Yes.
I need you also to provide ruler.
No.
Yeah, can you get your ruler now, please, and your pencil? Okay, do you have your pencil?
Um. Yes.
Okay, I think you're ready, but we still have like 4 minutes here. I mean, 4 minutes later to waiting for the others to join. Yeah, have you take your breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, good. I think you are ready, and then like 4 minutes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we just need 4 minutes left to join with others, and then you can relax first. Yeah. Oh yeah, I give you some activities first. Did you still remember this picture? Wait, wait, wait. I'm going to show you. Oh, last time you practiced with this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to continue and follow me. Yeah. Wait, 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 wait. Wait first. I want you to uh, draw eyes on another space on this part, and then I want you to just draw like this first, like a circle with a small circle on in the middle. Can you draw like this one, please? Okay, draw like this first, please, Clarissa. Okay, draw like this first. Two of these eyes, and then we're going to cut these eyes, and we're going to stick it on our doodle line yesterday. Yeah, I'm going to find some scissors first.
No.
All right, I find my scissors now, and I'm going to cut this uh, uh, drawing. Yeah. Good morning, Maurice.
Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning, Abby. How are you, Abby? Are you okay? Yay! I think Abby now is in a good condition. I mean that everyone is healthy. And before we start, I would like to ask you to continue our work yesterday. Did you still remember that we are creating this kind of lines, like an abstract line like this?
Yeah.
Did you still remember? Did you keep that one, Maurice, last time? Did you get the paper?
No, nothing.
Can you get it? AB also get your paper first. We're going to warming up our hands. Yes, we're going to warming up first. Continuing our uh, yesterday's drawing. I want you to draw two eyes like this. Okay, draw two eyes like this. We're going to cut the eyes and we're going to stick it on this abstract thing in Jiggy. Are you ready? Okay, I think Clarissa already done with the eyes, right? Clarissa, I want you to cut this one. Cut the eyes. Okay. And then you need to stick your eyes on this, yeah, on this line, abstract line. Hi, good morning, Wenjie.
Hi.
Good morning. How are you today? Good.
Fine.
Yay, Wenjie. Did you still remember that yesterday we are warming up our hand by making like this kind of a line, abstract line? Did you still remember? Okay, it's okay. If you do not remember, it's okay. But actually, yesterday we are creating like this kind of line. We are practicing we are warming up our hands by making an abstract line like this, just to relax our hands, our fine motoric skill, like this kind of thing. And then after that, we are drawing two eyes, like this kind of things. I draw two eyes. Yeah, we draw these two eyes, and then we cut the eyes and we stick it on our, yeah. Okay, I think we have Claviera, Serafina Huang, and oh, Jessica. Good morning, Jessica. Hi, Jessica. How are you today? Good. Yay. Okay, Jessica, did you still remember that yesterday we are exercising our hand, drawing this kind of line? You still remember, right? Did you still keep the drawing? No.
Huh?
Oh no, it's okay then. If you don't keep the drawing, you can create a new one. Okay, when Jay, come on, start to make what we call this one? I forgot actually the line. Making the line like this. How to say it in English? Yeah. God bless you, Wenjie. Yeah. Try to practice with this line first. Come on, try to relax your hands. Relax your hand by creating this kind of abstract line. Okay. After that, you have to draw two eyes like this, and then put the small circle in the center, and then done. All right. After you're done with the eyes, you need to cut the eyes. This one is like googly eyes, yeah. So you cut it, then you're going to cut the eyes into two pieces like this. And then after you're done with these eyes, I want you to stick the eyes in the middle or at the bottom side of your uh like this one. Okay, I'm going to find some glue first. Wait, yeah. Here I come. Okay, I'm going to stick these eyes on my abstract line, and it will create something really surprising. Okay, I'm done. See that? From the boredom activities into a nice artwork, abstract work like this one. Right. I think you're done with the exercising. Now we go back to our main lesson today. Okay, while you are working, I'm going to share you some slides about yesterday's lesson. Actually, we're still talking about the Cubism by Pablo Picasso and Piet Mondrian. Okay, I want you to take attention of this presentation. Ready? Okay, I will share this one. Abigail, can you open your camera, please? Okay, this one, yeah. Yesterday we're talking about Pablo Picasso and Piet Mondrian. Pablo Picasso is a very famous artist who likes to make portraits of people with a different look. And then this one is all of the artwork that he creates when he's still alive. And then this one is some of them also. And then now we are talking about Piet Mondrian. Okay, I want Clarissa to read this biography of Piet Mondrian. Ready? Clarissa? 1, 2, go.
Who is Piet Mondrian? Title Colonel Mondrian after
1906.
1906. Piet Mondrian was a Dutch painter and the
Theoretician.
theoretician
Okay. Who is
who is regarded as one of the greatest artists of the
20th
20th,
20th
20th century.
century. Good job. Born in March
Born in March
7.
7,
Good job. 1872.
1872 in
Amersfoort.
Amersfoort, Netherlands, and
Died
died in
Manhattan,
Manhattan, New York
New
in
York.
New York in February
1,
1,
19.
1944.
Good job. Thank you so much, Clarissa. I'm so proud that you are now, your English are becoming better and better. Good job. Thank you for being brave to read the article. Now I need Maurice to read this one. Louder, please. Ready, Maurice? 1, 2, go.
Also, he is best known for his abstract paintings made from squares and rectangles. Modern
Started
started off reading
painting.
realistic senses, especially painting trees. Modern is an important artist who
Whose
used
ideas
ideas and work influenced that of later artists in fact just
that,
art that
that Mondrian inspired.
inspired.
Thank you so much, Maurice, for helping me to read the article. Now for Wenjie. Ready, Wenjie? One, two, go. Yeah.
How does he painting look like? His paintings are very cool and um well, some
Some
people
people.
may find some people may find scary, but it is because it is very clear and different from other paintings. He likes to use some cubism
Cubism. Cubism.
to make it look very interesting. It can be painted on rocks too.
Yes, this one is a picture of Piedmontian, yeah, like this kind of thing. Okay, yesterday you draw like this kind of artwork, right? You draw the face, and then you apply this style on the face, and it becoming like this. See my cursor here. Okay, now I want you. This one is a challenge, yeah. Wenjie, Abigail, Clarissa, and Maurice. This one is a challenge for you. How to apply this style? Okay, this one, the one with square and rectangle, onto this drawing. We're going to draw a Nemo like this one. How to do it? Okay, are you understand?
Yes.
If you understand, please show your thumbs. Okay, we're going to draw the Nemo first, yeah. After that, we're going to color it using our what? Using Piedmontian style. Ready? One. I'm going to show you the picture first of a Nemo. This is a Nemo picture, yeah, like that. Okay, we're going to follow this picture by we're going to make it a little bit. We're going to modify it a little bit different. Ready? One, two, go. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to draw a shape like this, like that. Can you see that? Okay, you can draw two actually. One is big, one is small, like that. And then the rest, if you still see that this one is an empty space, you can fill another fish onto this space. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to draw the smiley line, smiley lips of the mm, Nemo's face, like that. All right, guys. If you have any problem, just raise your hand and interrupt me directly. Yeah, like, Mr. Al, you are so fast. I cannot follow you. Yeah, you can say that. Ready? Now I'm going to draw the eyes. That just now we are drawing the eyes to draw our abstract monster like that. Okay. After we draw the eyes, we're going to draw. Oh my God, Abigail, nice. Wow, Abigail have a very nice toys, which is similar with the Nemo. Yeah, you can follow that one, Abigail. You can, yeah, that can be your idea to draw the Nemo. Okay, now I want you to draw the line to separate between the eye, I mean the head and the body, like that. Okay. After that, you're going to draw the fin on this part. For the fin, you can modify it, and then we're going to draw the hands of this fish, like like that. Okay. After this one, we're going to draw the fin or the at the bottom side, yeah. And then we can decorate this one. You can decorate, use your own imagination. You don't need to follow me. If you think that my imagination is more cooler than you, Mr. Al, it's okay. You can use your own imagination. Wow, we are drawing Nemo, the clownfish, which is really cute. Even Abigail have the toys. Nice job, Abigail. I want to touch the toys actually. That looks so cute. Yay. Don't forget, Abigail, after this one, after we draw and color, I want you to to present your work, yeah? Wow, that's nice. Bunje, I like it. Yeah, try to make another fish on this side, on the empty side, with the different direction. This one is heading the right side, maybe. And then like that. Okay, I'm going to decorate the tail first. Then I'm going to draw the yeah, the decoration. I mean the motif of the Nemos. All right, like this. So, Mr. Al draw three uh fishes. I want to challenge you guys to draw one more fish. Find some empty space and draw it there. Maybe here or here. Up to you. Clarissa, draw one more fish, please. And Oliver, I mean, Maurice also. Wow, Abigail also have what you call it for that? Dory, right? Yeah, Abigail have Dory. Dory is a lost friend of Nemo. Jessica, do you have any problem? Can you draw this kind of fish? Can I see your drawing? All right, after you draw like this one, we need to color, right? So back to our challenge just now. A while ago, I present you some challenge that you need to make it like this. How to apply this style. All right, this style, the square thingy, to the Nemo's drawing. How to apply it. How to mix, how to blend this style into Nemo's when you are using your coloring materials. Okay, because last time, yesterday, we are drawing this people face and we combine it with this kind of style and it become like this, like that, right? People with very colorful uh, color. And then now our challenge is how to apply this style to Nemo's drawing. Okay. Okay, I think you need some ruler. Do you have any ruler, Wenjie? Maurice, you need some ruler. Abigail also. Clarissa already have it. And then the other one is Jessica. You need some ruler, and we're going to draw some square using pencil. Yeah, like this kind of thing. I will draw this. We'll draw the straight line first. This is so hard to handle the paper like this. I'm going to use a small. Okay, you can use your marker. Yeah, to make it more nicer. Okay, I'm going to draw the straight line first on the fish. Just a random line. This one is so hard. I'm going to draw the horizon line on this part. Okay, we are actually applying the Piedmonttian style to our drawing, yeah? As you can see, I draw the square and rectangle on this part and I'm going to color it. This area will be for blue. And then another area I will put green, maybe. And then maybe green will, it will be cool if we put some green on this area also. Okay, I think I have pink color. I will color this area with pink. Oh, this pink is not really good. We use this pink. Now Nemo have a different looks now. It's more cool. And then, oh, I have yellow. I will use yellow for this area. Yeah, and the rest I'm going to use uh, watercolor. I will take my camera and then I'm going to show you how I do the same thing. I will create another line on this part. That, and I'm going to color it with my watercolor. Yeah, this will be purple area, and then maybe purple area have two, and then I'm going to use orange on this part. Some orange also on this area. Then I will change with green in the small square on this on the tail area, and I'm going to use brown to color the back, the bottom side of this tummy of the fish, and then I will use light brown for the area on the top part of the shoulder of the fish on this part. Then yeah, I'm going to use yellow on this area, and maybe red is a good idea for the tail area on this part. And then guys, if you have any question, just ask me. Yeah, just feel free to ask me. Oh, this one, I think your drawing is not really clear, or I think your instruction is not really clear. I want to know how to do it. Just ask me. Don't be shy. Okay. I love that Abigail bring her own toys like a Nemo and Dory. I like to watch the movie also. Dory, a girl who always scared of something. I mean, not scared. I mean, she's always curious about something. Yeah, thank you, Abigail. I like it. I like the toys. And Nemo are lost because he is trying to what to save their friend. Maybe I don't know. I forgot about the Yes. Okay, I'm drawing Nemo with a different style, with Piet Mondrian style. Okay, I'm using now light blue to color the fin at the top part of this body. I use light green color the bottom side of this fin. Okay, I think it's not. Oh, I forgot. This area are still white. I will use dark green to color some of them. Okay, remember that after this, I want everybody to talk about the step by step how to do it, and you have to mention three things that you learn from this lesson. Yeah, I can give you some overview that actually today we are learning about Piet Mondrian, the artist who likes to draw some abstract painting using square and rectangle. That's why we apply Piet Mondrian's styles into our drawing like this kind of thing. Okay, it looks so colorful. It doesn't look so realistic, but I think it is nice to explore. It is nice to know that the style can be applied to any form of drawing. Okay, if you have more time, you can color the other part of your um, drawing. Yeah, like that. So, Wenjie, do you have any problem? For Jessica, you use watercolor or use crayon for coloring your drawing?
Crayon.
Crayons? Yeah, crayon is also good. Thank you, Jessica. How about Abigail? What is the coloring materials that you use? What? You're using watercolor, Abigail? Or using color pencil? Uh, this camera are not
I'm
working.
still doing the lines.
You're still doing the line? It's okay. If you are still doing the line, I will waiting. Don't worry. Thank you, Jessica. I mean, thank you, Abigail. Hey, Mr. R is done. I'm applying the Piet Mondrian style into my uh, cartoon Nemo's drawing like this. Actually, I blend the different style of Picasso and Piet Mondrian. All right. Tomorrow we're going to mix two styles, yeah, between Pablo Picasso and Piet Mondrian. God bless you, Unje. How about you, Maurice? Do you have any problem? Okay, good. How about Clarissa? Maurice, are you coloring with connector pen? Watercolor? Or you have your own marker, yeah? Okay, good. Continue. Color your drawing first, please. And after this, I want everybody to share your thought, yeah? Present your work. Abigail, can you show me your drawing, please, first? I want to see. How is it? Come on, Abigail, I want to see your drawing. Yay, yay, yay. Abigail, can you show your drawing, please? Mister, I want to see that. Wow, it's nice. Yeah, you are understand. Okay, good. Come on, color it. Good job, Abigail. Now color your drawing. See that if you don't have any idea, you can steal my idea and apply it onto your drawing. but do not copy paste. Okay, just steal the idea and then apply it on your drawing. Like, yay. All right, 2 more minutes. Everybody need to stop, and you need to present your work. Yeah, Abigail, are you ready? It's okay if you're not done. You can continue again after the session is okay. After the session is up. So, Clarissa, are you using marker?
Watercolor and marker.
Yeah, good, 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 good. That is a good idea. Okay, I like your. I mean, you choose watercolor and marker for you to work with the coloring tools. Yeah. Wenjie, how is it? Are you done? Not yet? Okay. No need to color the rest. I mean, the three of them. Yeah, only one. You can color the mummies of this fish, the big one only. If we still have a lot of time, maybe we can color the small one later on. Are you ready, Clarissa? You want to present it now? Not yet?
No.
Not yet. Okay, you're going to wait. I mean, yeah. I will give the first session for Maurice, maybe. Okay, Maurice, are you ready? It's okay if you're not done. Jessica, are you ready? Are you
Yes.
done? Okay, we're going to let Jessica present her work first. Ready, Jessica? Speak louder, be confident, and then be happy. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go. Hi, my name is Jessica, and this is my
Hi,
drawing.
my name is Jessica, and this is my drawing,
Oh, cool.
Nemo.
How to do it?
First, I drew the the head and the body,
Okay.
the eyes, the mouth, the fin,
Mm. And then
and then
you
I
use
drew the line. I
mm-mm,
used the marker to draw the line,
draw the line. Good job. Next.
and then I used the ruler and a
Yeah.
pencil to draw the straight line.
Straight line to create the shape of the square and rectangle. Okay. Are you happy with your picture, with your drawing?
Yes,
Can you mention 3 things that you learned from these activities? Come on. So you learn about how what? You learn how to draw fish.
yes.
Okay, the second one, you learn about what? I learn about how to decorate my fish.
Yes,
Yes, are you agree with that?
yes.
Okay, the third one, the last one. So you learn how to color
How
your fish.
the fish. I
Using
mean,
what?
is
Using what?
using pencil.
Oil pastel. Okay, Jessica, thank you so much. I give you 2 thumbs up. Very cool. I like your drawing and 10 stars for you. I want you to continue coloring the small fish. Yeah. Did you draw the another fish on the left or right side, Jessica? Yeah, you can color that part. Okay. Thank you so much, Jessica. Next will be Clarissa. Are you ready, Clarissa?
Yes.
Okay, now Clarissa, ready? 1, 2, go. Hi, my name is Clarissa, and this is my drawing. Come on.
Hello, my name is Clarissa, and this is my drawing.
Okay, good. And then, can you explain it one by one, the step by step how to do it?
First, I draw the the Nemo hat and the
Okay.
body, and
Yeah.
I draw the hand and the line.
And the line. And then you color it with what?
I color it with marker and watercolor.
Yay, good job. What is the bottom side, that one? The waving line. What is that
Mm,
at the bottom?
water.
A water, yeah, a shape of a water. Okay, Clarissa, are you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
Okay, can you mention three things that you learned from this lesson?
Um,
You learn how to what?
how to drawing Nemo
Yeah, you learn how to draw Nemos. And then the
and
second one,
coloring
you learn how to coloring. And then the last one, you learn about what? Come on, you can do it. You learn how to draw a square or rectangle. You don't learn how to draw the wave, the water, or what? It's okay, I'm waiting. You learn about what?
what?
Or you learn how to draw a water, or you learn how to use color, watercolor and marker. Yes, right.
Um, and, and I learned at Madrid.
Oh, you learn about Piet Mondrian. Thank you so much, Clarissa. We're going to review again the Piet Mondrian and Pablo Picasso. Yes, yeah, tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you so much. You can continue color the background of your fish. Yeah. Put two on
Fish,
the.
fish, fish, I like it.
Okay. Next will be Wenjie. Wenjie, are you ready? One, two, go.
Hello, my name is Wenjie and this is my drawing.
Okay.
I use color markers to color. First, I draw the body of the animal. Second, I draw the mouth
Yeah.
and then the eyes, and then I draw the fins and the heads. And
Wow.
last, I draw the tails.
Wow. Nice. Are you happy with your drawing, Wenjie?
Yes,
Can you
and
mention? Can you mention three things that you learned?
yes,
What is that?
I have learned how to draw an animal and how to decorate something with shapes.
With shapes.
And
Okay.
I also learn learn about coloring in the shapes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Wenjie. I can see that your drawing are very cool. I give you two thumbs up, 10 stars, and 100 score for you. Thank you so much. Next will be Maurice and Abigail. Maurice, Abigail, can you please turn on your camera, please? Open up. I know that you're not done yet. I know, but it's okay. You can present it. Okay, Maurice first. Ready? One, two, go.
Hello, my name is Mark. This is my fish. I draw the body,
Mm-mm.
then the tail, the eyes, and the mouth,
Okay.
and the fin.
Yeah.
Then I decorate it,
Decorate it.
and then I color it.
You color it. Are you happy with your drawing, Maurice? Okay, can you mention three things that you learned from this lesson?
I draw big fish.
Okay, how to draw big fish. You learn how to draw big fish. Second one, you learn about what? I think it's lagging. Okay. Sorry, the signal are lagging. Okay, how about Abigail? Hi, Abigail. Are you ready? Abby, please show your toys, your Nemo and your Dory fish. Abigail, Mr. Al is waiting. Come on, don't be shy. I know that you can present your very nice work to everybody so that we can learn from you also. Come on, Abigail. And Maurice, you haven't finished your three things that you learned from this activities is because the Wi-Fi signal maybe. Clarissa, are you done with the background of your fish? Are you still working with it, Clarissa? Okay, how about Jessica? Are you still working with that, Jessica? Yeah, you're still coloring your small fish, yeah. Yeah, Maurice, please mention three things that you learned from this lesson. Repeat it again one more time. Ready? One, two, go. Open your microphone. So, you learn about what?
How to draw a big
Yeah,
fish.
how to draw a big fish. The second one, you draw about what?
Decorate a fish.
Oh, decorate the fish. The last one, the third one, you learn about what? You learn how to use marker or watercolor.
How to use marker.
All right then. Thank you so much, Maurice. And Abigail, how is it? Abigail, don't hide, please. Mr. Al want to see your face and your cute Nemo and Dory toys. Come on, open up your camera, please, Abigail. Okay, if Abigail are not ready to present, maybe tomorrow, yeah, Abigail. Mr. Al will be waiting for your awesome drawing tomorrow. Okay, see you again tomorrow, everybody. Clarissa and Jessica, keep on drawing and keep on coloring your drawing. Don't throw it because tomorrow I want to see it again after you're done with everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
finish your work. Yeah, finish your drawing and finish your coloring part. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye. Hi, Abigail. Are you there? Abby. Abby, you know what? The Fanka are miss you already. The Fanka Bella want to meet you, but because of Corona's pandemic, we cannot meet. But actually, the Fanka and Bella already miss you a lot. They want to see you. They want to meet you. All right, Abigail, continue your drawing and coloring. See you again tomorrow. Yeah. Bye bye.